Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'm showing you how to fix the internet problem with Kali Linux. So there's a bug within Kali Linux. I believe it's a bug. It may just be a random error, and it's also random in the fact that the way it happens. So like you could open Kali Linux one day and it'll be absolutely fine. The next it's just completely gone off. And what I mean by gone off is if you go up to your volume or your power button up here on the top right hand corner, you can see your volume, but then if you look down here, there's no option for the Wi-Fi and no option for the wired connection. You just get no option at all. The network manager basically is completely shut down. If I try and go on a website, if I try and go to Google, as you can see I can't. And that's a big problem because Kali Linux relies on the internet when doing things like my Learn Ethical Hacking course, which I was trying to do, but I got this error again. So I thought I'm better making this video to help people fix this, because it seems to be a very common problem. So you can open Terminal. Now I'm going to open Terminator, which is another application. It's the same as the Terminal, it works exactly the same, so you can still follow along if you open your Terminal, except Terminator's just got a few more additional features. So I'm just going to zoom in so you can see what I'm about to type. So the first thing you want to type is service network -manager restart. I was about to type start, but it's better to type restart. So if you press enter, then nothing happens. Now this may fix your problem and it may not fix it. So this is where my fix comes into this. So as you can see now, it's still not showing the internet. And I still don't have internet access. Apologies, I should have left that browser open. Well, if I go back to Firefox and try and go back to Google, as you can see, I still haven't got internet access. Now, this may fix it for you. If so, that's great. If not, don't worry, because there's one more thing that you can type to get this working again. It's nmcli networking and then space on. Click enter. And there we go. We've got our internet access back. As you can see now, it says wired connected, Wi-Fi off. That's because I've got a wireless card attached to the host machine. But you may just see wired. So if I go to Firefox ESR, and it's important to point out on my virtual machine, I've got this in a NAT network, NAT only. So there's NAT and NAT network. In fact, I've got it on NAT only. Thought that was being an important piece of information. However, I think this will work for bridged as well. So if I go back to Google, as you can see now, I've got internet access. So that's it for the video. If it did help, please leave a like, comment if you're stuck with anything, I'll be happy to help. Subscribe for future content, and I will see you all in the next video.